Hello, welcome back to the stream. It's been a little while. Today I'm looking at making a background for my game, as well as adding a few more mini-games. Since last time I've changed how the streaming between the game and the Vim instance works, and it's a lot more stable than it used to be. It used to just crap out every like 10 minutes, but now it seems to be running fine. I've also implemented a bar using shaders, which I can show off now. Let me just get into the right directory. Let's set up the environment, and I'll pop out chat. Here we go. Alright, I popped out the chat. Set it to live chat. Cool. Alright. So, now in the game, you have these asteroids, you can destroy them, it all works happy-dappy. The printouts are slowing stuff down, that's just for the bar. I'll actually touch that up now before we get on to the next thing, but you can see it's loading up. I've also made the background texture so you're going to see firsthand. Alright. We want to go to tutorial mission to prove this printout. We also don't need this. Where is this printout? Am I blind? I think it's in here. I thought it was in here. Maybe it's in here. Yeah, there we go. So that ruins the printout. So the next thing we're doing today, the first thing we're doing today is adding this new background texture I've made. So I'm going to do this in mission state. Might turn up the music a little bit for you guys. That's better. Hopefully we shouldn't need to save anything anywhere, just put it straight onto the renderable stack. I don't think we're going to touch the background for now. So we want SDL surface, and we'll call this frame image equals SDL image. Do I have SDL image here? No. So now we should be able to do image load. Actually, I'll copy this here. And then we can do, I think I called it terminal from memory. We also need to add it as a renderable. Okay, we've immediately got a problem. I guess this might be because it's SP cathode at the moment, so we might need to change that. What was it? It was intro state. Just trying to get the right... Oh no, it shouldn't be SP cathode. Let's go ls assets images terminal.png, that looks fine. I wonder what's happening there. That's interesting. Let's just double check that it's nothing I've changed recently. I doubt it though. Nope. Perhaps it needs to go after the emulator hit in this instance. Nope, that's not the case either. I know what it is. Here we go. This does need to go after that. I believe the default from memory should be RGBA, so I might be able to just remove that line. Yep, it is. So let's remove this. Here we are. So this is what it looks like at the moment. The colors are a little bit messed up though, so we should need to look into that. I don't want to get too sucked into playing this. Yeah, because that's meant to be yellow. This is making me think that this is actually a BGRA image based on that. Hold up. This needs to get here. Oh, maybe that's why. Yes, that's exactly why. That's better. That's what it's meant to look like. Alright, so that was easy, that's ticked off now. We might look into future actually making the terminal a bit nicer in there. But for now I think this is fine. I might see what it looks like in 1080p. Oh, it is at 1080p. Okay, that's fine then. We need to have some sort of timeout. Let's get this added first though. Okie dokie. Let's have a look at why we're sometimes still getting crashes. It should be Vim emulator. Look at where it stopped. Connection accepted. No, that's fine. This is useless. perhaps we want to stop for the mission buffer, the receiving buffer. Let's go to Astro minigame. It seems to be running stable. Yeah, perhaps I had the priorities the wrong way around. Nope, we've got a crash. Okay, that's interesting. Hmm. Hey Rebirth, how's it going? Alright, I wanted to actually print this out and see what's happening here. Okay, this is where we have problems. Okay, so we're seeming to still get requests. So the syncing is wrong here. Hey Adam, how's it going? Yeah, I'm doing TCP work at the moment, but yes, there'll be some SDL on the stream as well. Okay, so we're still getting leaks from the buffer receive thread, which is a little bit annoying. At the moment, I'm trying to sync sending and receiving between a Vim instance. So I'm sending, you can see here. So I am sending the data, and I am also receiving the new state. But you can see that it's working quite weird. Because that's meant to just be 4, because it's meant to send a receive signal, but it looks like it's actually sending my terminal instance when it's expecting a receive signal, which is really annoying. And it's causing everything to blow up. Reminds me of the type of sentences you have to get Java code to run. I'm not sure about that with SDL. I mean, this is all I'm really doing with SDL. Though, talking about writing sentences, OpenGL is writing sentences, oh my god. Perhaps if you're making like a native SDL game, because my SDL isn't doing any rendering. I'm just using it for inputting and typing, as well as handling images. This priority thing isn't really doing its job. Is that an SDL? So I certainly do need something to stop up here. Yeah. I found it not too bad. I think I've got I can quickly show this off. Yeah, this is all in SDL. I used, there's a guy called Mike Shah, and he made it quite easy to learn how to texture stuff. Like, this is these are all animated textures there. Nice streaming room. I'm in a corner. I don't know how nice that is. See if callback shows sync has failed. I've got all these stops for the other way around of the buffer receiver getting sent to the buffer for issues, but that's not the problem. Ah, I see why though. Honestly, I could probably just throw out a lot of that stuff. How about we put this back up here and center buffer. While m underscore. Oops. What have I done? No, I'm a student, man. I can't afford all that shit. I'll take calling me as a streamer a compliment, though. No, it's request ready. Request ready. I don't think this will solve anything. It's because I'm constantly sending the current state. I feel like I might kill my computer if I bloody don't have the sleep power. By definition, you're streaming. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I'm sure that you're a good songwriter, dude. I usually write music for my games, but that also does suck. I've got a few projects that I did with some others on my website that has some music that I made. It's pretty basic shit though. Do you play an instrument or do you do it all in like DAW? If receive... That doesn't make any sense to me. What? FL Studio, yeah, no, that's sick. It's also what I use whenever I make music. Again, I'm not gonna write music. I use it more for sound effects, I think, than actual game music. Do you have anything you're working on at the moment, or? think they actually nuke stuff if I... Oops, I'm in the wrong directory. Yeah. I just managed to make everything way worse. That's hilarious. Hell yeah. That is free storage. Yeah, somebody asked me to do a Vim setup stream. Once I've not got this on my mind, maybe I'll do that. Doesn't make no sense to me, man. Because it was just printing out 4 a bunch of times before, wasn't it? Holy shit, this is taking a while. Anyway, Linux or Windows, what do you think? I'm a big FOSS dude. I try and avoid using stuff like that. Why is this being a pain in... This is being a real pain. Alright, let's bring it back. Oh wait, did I remove my send? Was that why? Yes. Oh, I'm using Linux right now, yeah. Here, that's my distro. I used to do a bit for a while before gaming became good on Linux, but now I'm just always on Linux. Okay. This is my sanity check right here. Yeah, it's 4. Why is it not, why is that not working? Oh yeah. Oh. Did I build that? I can't even remember, I was reading chat. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a little bit spicy now. Something's going real wrong. Oh Christ, okay. What am I studying for? Well, this is just a project that I was working on for fun, and it's turned into my engineering project, and I have to do some user testing tomorrow. So I've got a lot of work ahead of me. I'll be streaming for a while. I might break up the streams when I go get dinner, but I'll be here for at least maybe 10 hours. Oh, oh, have I fixed everything now? No way. Oh, come on. I'm bad at my own game. I think I fixed it. This will be like the third commit saying I fixed the synchronization issues. Oh, right. I'm doing a Bachelor's of Engineering, majoring in software engineering in New Zealand, and it's a forced honours degree, so it's 4 years, and I get an honours as well, and I'm in my last year. This is basically the last thing I have to do, and then I have exams, and then I'll be coming back to this afterwards. And after that, oh, I've managed to crash it again. I'll be doing a master's next year, which I also want to stream because I think it'll be a really cool project. I'm possibly making a game console. Fingers crossed. It'll be something along those lines, and I'll be programming in VHDL to do that. And then I'll be passing in C code to render the games. I'm really excited for that, actually. Hopefully it's exactly what I want. It's hard because you have to get some sort of supervisor to get on board with it. Holy shit. Oh cool, with like cables or VHDL, you're a log. For science here. Oh sick. That's a good project. This soundtrack's getting a bit too chaotic for my taste, I'm gonna change it up. I need to think about this intelligently. I don't just keep fucking like putting patches over this. It needs to be written properly. While not callback. Design a circuit board and use PCB way. I need to remind myself what that is. Is that similar to circuit verse? Oh, oh no, these guys make boards. Oh, that's really cool. So, what, are you designing it in VHDL or using software design? Hey man, I'm not gonna judge, that shit's cool. Also, I'm an engineering student. Engineering students don't have life. Fun fact. PCAD, nice. I've not used that before, but I've seen people online use it. I only know how to use like microcontrollers. That's not, or use microcontrollers and also design FPGA stuff. That's what I've been learning this year at uni. I don't know much about like board design otherwise. Probably be something I'd have to look into for next year if I was to manufacture it. Because I'm essentially making the microcontrollers, not the circuit board. Is KiCad open source? I need to clear my buffer. Should I have to mess around with memes there? That's scary. Alright, let's do it then. Yeah. I am very much wanting to just do all my projects as open source. So if I can use open source software too, that'd be sick. That should be fine. Let's give that a go and see if it crashes. Oh. I managed to crash it faster doing that. I'm guessing it's here. Oh, I know what I need to do. Okay. Hey, cheers, mate. When I start doing the streaming stuff more often, I'll try and add the cool effects when people subscribe and all that. Probably over the summer. Okay, so I need to have something that will wait for the buffer receiver thread to finish. I can't. Oh, maybe I need to change my Vim code. That probably might be it. VimVentures autoload. Here we go. So if I send the buffer on data, this should be all in order though, there's no threading in Vim. Maybe I should just throw it out. It seems really hacky doing that though. Or, hear me out, we do that. Okay. Oh, there's a reason I have that as don't wait. I do need that. Like that. Perhaps my issue is that I'm doing a double thread with this. I could make it easier by just making it one thread, but I think the performance would probably suffer if I did that. Oh, why do I have it as frame ready? While am request ready. Then I can go refresh MS. Oh no. There's really no nice way to do this, actually. If im request ready. Do I need to worry about a callback actually? No, I kinda do. This is hurting my brain right now. Okay. I vibe with this. Specific shade of yellow. Are you talking about this? Okay, so... I feel like I'll kill my computer if I do this, but let's just go for it. Alright. No, in the thumbnail. Yeah, that was a very old version. I might update the thumbnail now. Maybe this is what I needed. Yeah, oh, yeah, okay. If I just like spam inputs, will that slow everything down? Oh, oops, oops, oops. Ah, that's all kind of shit. Alright. Oh, I think I fixed my problem. I just need to rely on the mutexes rather than having all this wait timer stuff. Oh. Okay, cool. I'm happy with that. How was your first graphics interview? First graphics interview? I'm unemployed, mate. Oh, I've got a job actually, but I'm a student. I do web development as a job. If you can call it that, I work maybe a couple days a week. Decino, I love Decino. The Doom guy, right? Alright, I think this is pretty good at the moment. Is there anything I need to do now? Yes, I do know what I need to do. I need to restrict the user's inputs. Holy moly, I've got so many tabs, let's close these. Now, I think that will involve me changing things here. I don't need singing. Sorry, anybody who likes that song from Castlevania. This is good. I'll do this one. Okay. This is in the wrong spot now, I think. Or perhaps we limit things. And the mission, current mission. Or we just do. I think I have in here. No. Gosh, okay. I need to rework this a little bit. Oh, no, I don't. I know what I can do. This file is getting absolutely massive now, but I think this will be the best way to do it. So we'll just have... what am I sending in again? I'm sending SDL key, send it, SDL key mod, so that will be shift. Oh, this is harder than I thought it would be actually. Let's just double check how this works, because I wrote this a long time ago. Send SDL key. These are all numbers. Okay, I see. I see. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I will have a vector of std pair, std I need to check what mod I'm in. That should be fine. Event.key.keysum.mod. Let's go over here. I need to double check what how the default works when I'm not pressing any modulators. Oh my gosh, my code. Alright, there we go. Zero, I see. Oh my gosh, I need to fix all of that. Alright, there we go. Alright. So 0 and shift is 1, that's fine. What happens if I go look right shift? Oh, I need to do that as well. Let's check what that is. Oops, I need that back. Oh, actually I can go to SDL key mods, because I want to use the enums anyway, it's a lot better. We're in SDL3. SDL2. Find it in keycode.h. Oops. Yeah. Okay, quick coffee break before I get into this. It's going to take a little bit to boil. So, what we can do here is we'll need to create this peer, SDL key mod, SDL, what is it? It's key code. And we'll just call this restrictions. Also restrict keys. That's a good name. Cool. That's sorted. And then we'll have a key restrictions. I'll move this up here. And void clear key restrictions, void add key restriction, and this will take an SDL key code, SDL key mod. Cool, and then we'll implement it. Do we want to implement it? I'll just chuck it down the bottom for now. Clear key restrictions is the easy one. If we go m restrict keys clear. Cool, that's done. And now we can add the restrictions. Add key restriction. That autocomplete did not work. Why is that not working? I need to check out my YCM configurations for that. That could be while I'm not on stream. Key code, STL, key mod, cool. Brit keys equal dot. I think we just do key code and key mod. Oops. Go over here and do bring up my texture break code. Checking it. Probably pick up the app code. Be a better example of this. Yeah, I think in placeback is what I want. So we'll go auto restriction equals std pair SDL key code SDL key mod. Cool. And it can be the key code and the key mod. Sweet, that's done. And then we in place like this. Sweet. And then we need to go all the way up here. Here we go. I'm going to do a little bit of renaming, because restrictions doesn't make all that much sense. It needs to be M white list. That's fair. Okay, cool. And then we'll go and rename these. Key whitelist. Cool, done. If it's not empty, we will see M whitelist. On console reference to type here cannot bind to value of unrelated type. That's wrong. Oh, I've got it the wrong way around. Cool. That's better. Done. Alright, now we can check. I'll return here. Oh, this is bad programming. Don't do it like that. Second calls. Yeah, the mod mask. Alright, cool. Alright, so let's give this a go with our... Where are we? We want to go to Asteroid, I think. This is where we want to add this. So we want to add H0. What was it? It's I think it's mod none. Mod none. Oh, wait, what's it wanting me to do? Kmod none. Cool. Okay, and then delete for kmod left shift L shift. Cool. Oh, I see. You can do kmod shift. That's right. In our initialize parameters with type int. That's fair. Alright, we'll just keep it how it was for now. Getting an issue. Is it me emplacing? Holy moly, this is a lot. 452. Yep, it is. Why is my in-place spec not working? Is my question. Oh, I have these the wrong way around as well. Okay, this is why. There you go. And this will be wrong now. Alright, cool, let's give it a go. So, I can do this, I can do that. I can jump. Okay, this thing is not working at all. Where is my asteroid minigame? I need to do this. Why am I getting a test output again? I believe it's in here, right? Okay, cool. Oh, I just needed to make, that's fine. Okay, I fixed it. Alright, with restricted keys, that's exactly what I wanted. I do need to restrict double D though. So I need to make a new thing for that. And I think I'll just have it as simple as restrict double characters. No, I can't. Okay, I'll need to add a whole new thing for that. That's fine, it should be easy. So we'll do void clear key pattern restrict. might be easier if I do a whitelist, right? If I want somebody to do something specifically. Let me open up. What's the easiest way to get to this? I think it's in here. So I'm pretty sure the list is quite small for double patterns, so I might just be able to make that list. I think it's my preliminary eye. Oh no, it'll be in my proposal. Okay, elements, adaptive learning. Where is it? I think it's here. Dun, 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 dun. That's a good song. Link 8. This one. This is a really good thing if you guys want to learn Vim. I hope I could do the link right. Yeah, it's just these three. I think it's just those three. I should... Oh, I don't want people to accidentally go forward. I think that'll be fun though. It'll kind of be like, oh, I've got myself into the state, and then they see the keys available to them and see 0. So I think that's fine. And then they can also learn, if they really wanted to do a backwards removal. Is it inclusive? No. Okay. So we will need to store the last key set. This needs to get out of TCP though, holy moly. Oh, this whole thing is a mess at the moment. I'll just remove that. The restrictions. Okay, cool. And then we can add std here. Cool. True, it's pre-initialized. What am I doing? Pre-constructed, I mean. So I have a value of 0. Okay, that's fine. I don't think that should cause any problems. Because none of the keyboard inputs will be above, like 128, I'm pretty sure. What did he call it in his article? Duplicate ops, I think. Yeah. Okay, that could be false. Done. This thing is turning into a massive state machine, but I think there's no other way when dealing with this instance of them. Oh cool, stream's empty, I'm gonna go make my coffee now. Alright, copy acquired. Cool. And then we can go to the mod mask and check. Mod mask. Should be able to do SDL. Mod. A mod shift. True. Oh wait, what am I doing? Kmod nud. There we go. Actually, I can have this as just a long Boolean chain here. And cool, that should work. And we may as well do the other cases as well. Y and C. Cool, done. Cool, that should work. Oops, what's wrong here? Duplicate ops, and there's duplicate op. Alright, and we should restrict it in... Where are we? Asteroid minigame. Whoops. Undefined reference to Vim emulator restrict duplicate ops. Let's close all this, reopen the... Oh, I don't need to reopen it. I'm probably didn't make these in the end, did I? No. Okay, let's do that now. No, I can still do that, which is not what I wanted. It's good that I've added this restriction though, it stopped people quitting the terminal. Is this why? Nope, that doesn't restrict anything. Okay, let's have another look then. Need to open up my Asteroid minigame again. Yeah, I have restrict duplicate ops on. Restrict duplicate ops and is duplicate op. Oh, I've got this the wrong way around. Here we go. Alright, that should work. Yes, I can't do double operators. Oh. So we do also want to allow people to do 0. Okay, my duplicate ops is not working as intended. Oh, is it because it's spamming the terminal? That could be why. No, that shouldn't be causing a problem. Alright, there's something interesting happening. Let's figure it out. Cool. Let's give this a go. Well, that doesn't make a lot of sense, does it? Alright, let's see what's going on here. Oh, do I need a break? Is that my problem? I doubt it, actually, but that needs to be fixed anyway. Mod mask. So if we're checking if it's none, there's no modulator on the current input and the last input, or the last input. Yeah. First does not equal D. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh wait, no, it needs to be D. Bloody hell, sax solo. Let's change up the music. Alright, something a bit more eclectic will do. I'm gonna skip the intro. There we go. Am I losing it? Probably. Just do and here for everything, that's easiest. I think I was just... I don't even know why I wrote it like that. That's alright, we can change it. Cool, that should work. Sweet, that works perfectly. And it's still pretty fast, if I don't say so myself. It's not too much lag. Could be better, but it's good enough for a demo. Alright, I don't want to get sucked into this too badly. Let's remove this printout that we had. And do a git diff, just make sure that all I've done is add these restrictions. Cool. Alright, next is actually displaying the restrictions so the player knows what is happening. So we need to go to tutorial mission. I need something reusable, probably. So perhaps we make a class for this, because I don't want it to be controlled in here. Because I don't send... Do I send the tutorial mission? Oh, I might do actually. Let's have a look. Yes, I do. Okay, maybe I can do it in here then. So we'll need some text. We'll do some sample text first and see how it works out. Oh. Okay, I know what I want to do now. So we want to do SDL, surface, and we can just steal this from the menu, because I've already had to write this before. Now, how am I going to turn this into the same thing though? That will be interesting. I suppose before we actually get into the text, we can just have a look where we want to place the display for this. So we'll do an SDL surface. I'll need a texture, there's no doubt about that. How about, for the texture, we'll just open up GIMP quickly kind of want it around about that size. But for now, we'll just make a black texture for testing. We may as well even make it just 1 pixel wide. Maybe I shouldn't have made it 1 pixel wide. Where the heck? Oh, I missed it. It's right here. Cool. Alright, that's our 1 pixel texture. Export as. We can go into our assets, images, and we'll just call this black. That'll be fine for a test texture name. Yes, export normally. Alright. Alright. This is my favorite code to write because I've done all this pre-work and I've made my life easy for myself. Alright, assets / images / black.png. Cool, and then let's create, what should we call it? I'm blanking. We should call it helper monitor. And we should make this equal to... Honestly, it makes no sense putting it here because when the player eventually gets out of the tutorial, they're going to wonder why the heck the monitor's disappeared. It's a physical feature, so it can be in mission state. Cool. Alright. Back to it. Surface. Let's image. Load. Assets. Images. Black.png. To change this to an actual picture. Auto help. We should call this image monitor equals ACD make shared textured rect 2D. Alright, now we need to position it. We'll make it decently wide, I think. So it should have a similar, probably the same width ratio as the main monitor. So we could reuse that. So it should be, yes, width height first. So we just go, I think 0.3 might be a good starting point for placement. And then we can go, this is the question. This actually needs to be minus width ratio, divide by 2. Cool. And then we can make it width ratio, and then maybe we want it like 1/3 of the size of the monitor, of the main monitor, so we can do that for now. That should work. Alright. Help monitor. We've got to set the texture format. When I have time to do this and not have to worry about deadlines, I'm gonna spend so much time making the abstraction nice. I think I've done a decent job, but it is getting a bit more patchworky as time's gone on. I quite like what I've done with this so far. Don't know what it is, what it's like performance-wise. I probably need to do some testing for that. Help monitor image, and we set the pixels. Help monitor image. We could also make an abstraction that just takes an SDL surface, but the trouble with that is SDL surfaces are pointers, so I feel like this is almost safer if I were to actually check the stuff beforehand, but I've never done that so far. So maybe I make a function for that later. Alright. And then we go app renderable, app.add renderable. This abstraction I need to change though, because there's no priority for layers, and you kind of need that for a 2D game engine. At the moment it just goes in order of what you've added, which is okay managing these small renderables I've added so far, but I think it will become a pain later on. Help monitor. Cool. I think that should work fine. Oh, I forgot to add the cathode shader. Okay, so the cathode shader we need to set straight away, so we can do that here. Help monitor. Hopefully the cathode shader works fine. I wouldn't see why it wouldn't. It is a black texture though, so maybe it won't pick up anything. Okay, so it's off screen. Why is it off screen? Oh, I know. Monitor, update vertex data. That's why. Well, it's at least part of why. Oh, I'm already doing that. What am I saying? Okay. So it is just off screen. So how about we just make this a 0 for now, just smack bang in the middle. No, we still don't see it, do we? Okay. Something's overriding it. There's no way it's not showing up. Otherwise the texture's being weird. Yeah, no. Alright, let's just set something manually. Let's go to my tutorial mission. What is bar width and height from memory? I think it's quite a small number. 0.2 100 divided by 1/8 times 0.2. Okay, whatever. Just make this nice and easy. And we can make it the opposite of bar. So that's 4, -4. So we can make it 4, 4, right? No, -4, -4. We'll put it on the other side. Right. Let's see if this renders. Okay. Nope, still no rendering of it. It might be a texture issue. So we can choose a different texture and see what happens with that. I'll just double check that I've named it correctly. Yeah, no, I have. Alright, let's see if we do cutscene 1. We know this is a working texture. Oh shoot, core dumped. What's happened there? Did I name it incorrectly? That could be a possibility. No, that looks fine. Alright, something else is causing this problem. Okay, so we can go in here, Setup bar, tutorial, blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. That makes sense. That makes sense. Maybe I'm setting... Oh, my cathode shouldn't matter though, because it's not added as renderable just yet. That actually shouldn't matter at all. Anyway. Alright, another cooldown. Why is this happening? We could try a different image, but something else is causing this problem, I think. Oh, here we go. Oh, is it because I'm doing this? Is this why? I think it most certainly might be. Alright, let's just try this without the cathode shader because that's really bright at the moment. Okay, that one works. Cool. I think I just had the wrong texture format. So we'll work our way back now. Yep, okay, cool. So this should work. Yep, it does. Alright, cool. It was just the wrong texture format. It was just me being really silly. Okay, let's see what happens when we chuck the XP cathode back on with black. It's quite dark, but it's working. Sweet. Alright, let's position it properly now. So we do want to have the original values, at least for the size of the width and the position of the width. I'm not too sure about the height and the y-axis just yet. We'll just have to mess around with it and see where we want it. Alright, cool. Holy moly, what have I done? It's all died. Okay, something's gone really terribly wrong there. Oh, I see, I've just put in the wrong variable. That's funny. Okay, so this needs to be width ratio divided by 2. And this needs to be width ratio. Cool. Alright, that should be happy dappy. We'll make that. Okay, well, it's not positioned in the middle. Why is that? Because it needs to be negative, that's why. Cool. Okay, so the height's gonna have to die down quite a bit. There's not a lot of room actually. That's alright, it's only gonna be about one line, I think. So we can make this maybe 0.05 will be a fine number, and then we can move it down. Negative 0.5 is going to take it off the screen. So it needs to be different to that. That's too small now. Alright. 0.15. This can be about, I don't know, 4.5. That should be fine. Actually, it might need to be 4.75 now I think about it. Yeah. Just for reference, this is 1080p, so I don't want to completely limit people's vision. So this is what it looks like with this monitor on top. perhaps we put it here. This could be a good place to put it. There's quite a bit of space. But I don't really want people to read up to like from bottom to top, or top to bottom, I should say. Well, we can put it here. Ooh. Actually, I like putting it here. Let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. Okie dokie. So, to do that, we need to go here. And we can honestly just say goodbye to the width ratio. And we can chuck it, I don't know, maybe negative 0.345 as well. And this can be, actually we can use the width ratio here. We can go width ratio, divide by 2 to center it. And then, but the width and height will just make up the actual width and height of the rectangle. So we can go 0.3. Let's do, what did I have before? Let's do 0.2. 0.2 is the starting point. That should be fine. This needs to be negative, right? Yeah, that's where I went wrong. Negative. Thank you. Or not. Actually, we should make the constant expressions now and get it over with. But I have to do it anyway at some point. What was I doing? I was doing 1/5 before. That should be okay. Yeah, let's do 1/5. Don't really need ratio. It could just be that helper width and height. Then we can go helper width, helper height. There we go. And I'll get rid of all those errors about magic values. This needs to be helper height. And then X. X is interesting. That should be fine. This is going to yell at me until I make it like that. There we go. Alright, see how this turns out. It needs to be a negative value, and it's this one. It is centered though. No, that didn't help either. What's going on? What's my values? That is quite large. I'm realizing what's going on here. This needs to be this. We need to fix it. Yeah, alpha X position. Cool. Let's this a go. Alright, it needs to be smaller, but it's at least in a decent position. Let's check the chat for a second. Seems to be quite a few viewers, which is good. So maybe we do we could do 19 out of 40. It needs to be negative. Just for the sake of my consistency, I'll make these decimal 2. Alright, cool. See how this looks. Cool. Alright, I like that positioning. We just need to make it higher. I think that'll be good. What does it look like with the monitor as well? Yeah, that seems fine. I'm not opposed to that. Okay. Yeah, I do want it a little bit closer. I was just thinking for a second there. And then we could probably make it... Oh, screw the... Sorry for the language. The height can go. This will be width ratio. I believe that's right. Cool, that looks decent. Oh, we've got the opposite problem though, it's too close to the left. We only need a little bit of padding though. Just a smidge, not much. I did just realize that I've made that half by accident, that's probably not helping. This might just do it here. Cool, that's exactly what I wanted. Sweet. Alright. I'm just having a think now. We'll need to display text in there. I do make a texture though. That's kind of first port of call. I think a blue background would look nice. Because I want it more cathode-y than like matrix stuff, so yeah, I think blue will be good. Alright, let's do that. Though I do need to commit to what I've done so far. Just check the diff quickly. Yeah, we've done that, we've done that. Right, so that is just test stuff in there for now, so we can just do the mission state alone. Entered. Help the terminal. Render. Correct. Cool. Alright, so let's just do a new texture. I'll double check what the So the width is 1/8 and the width ratio is 2/3. So we can go new. We'll keep it as pixels. So we can go, what was it, width 2/3, height 1/8. Oh no, width ratio is the height in this scenario. Okay, cool. Alright, so we'll just do 1080 times 2 divided by 3. And the width can be 1080 divided by 1 times. Oh, what am I doing? There we go. Cool. Done. Alright, this is our terminal. Let's make it a dark blue, I think that would look nice. I'll be quite quick about this because it is going to be filtered with that shader, so we're not going to see a whole lot of this. I'll keep it quite bright colors though, because the emulator does darken things quite a bit. Alright, yeah, how about we just do this first, before I start adding any decorations. Helper terminal. We could export that. Okay, that should be done. Cool, make. Oh my gosh, that's quite bright. I might need to darken it a little bit more. It's good though, we're seeing like the cathode and all that. It does need to be darkened quite a bit though, holy moly. And just desaturated in general. So let's have a look at this. Let's go maybe here. That might be a good color, so let's give that another go. Export, replace. Alright, I shouldn't need to build anything if I do it this way. What does that look like with a normal terminal? It's very blue. It needs to be desaturated a bunch. Let's open this up. You can go like all the way here almost. Alright, file, save as. Oh, I know. I also want to make it a bit darker because we do brighten the image in the cathode. And then we export. Alright. Cool, cool. Alright. Let's give this a go. That's decent. Again, it's pretty bright, so we need to reduce the, make it a bit darker, I should say. Like all the way here almost. Hopefully that still stays blue after all the shading. Alright. There is no point in me trying to fully recreate my terminal because this game lets people run any terminal, so it just needs to be decent enough. I like that. I could make that a bit brighter, but I think that's the right color. It's like a teal. So let's just go. Alright, that should do. Export, export, export. Export again. Okay. Don't ask me what that first thing was, that's a really weird. texture problem there. Yeah, I don't want to be so worried about that because I need to get on and make game stuff. So I'll leave it as that. I think that's a good color. Okay, assets. Oh. I almost forgot. I do want to add some grime on the terminal. So we can go here. And I think this, no, it's acrylic 1 I want. Increase the size a bit. Oh, come on, alright. Oh, no, that's way too big. Alright, let's give this a go. Alright, let's see what this looks like now. It's always such a mission to export stuff in GIMP, but that's alright. Can you even tell the difference? I can see it a little bit, but it's not very obvious. Alright, let's make it like... Actually, if you had something on your monitor, it would probably be a bit brighter. Maybe. That sounds right, because the diffraction of the light. Let's see if it looks a bit more natural if I actually make it brighter. See if this does it. That might be too bright, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, that looks really gross. Alright, I think I'm on the right path though, I just need to make it not so bright. Because that's like white almost after all the rendering stuff. So let's just do... this might be good. And then we'll turn it down, maybe more saturated. Alright, give this a go. Alright, less saturation should do it. I am on the right path with the brightness thing, it just needs to be maybe there. Cool. See how this looks. Alright, I think that'll do for now. I won't get too caught up on it, but I think that'll be fine. Yes, this one is quite clean, but I don't really want to get in the way of the player's gameplay in that regard. Okay, so now is the tricky bit. We need to put text on it. let's just see what happens when we run text. I think you can actually merge surfaces in SDL. Here we go, SDL Blitz surface. I've already opened this link before. Yeah, this is right. Okay. So let's see how we go down with this. And close the tutorial mission for now. And we can grab this. Right, let's see how this looks. I don't want to reload this image every time, so I think how we will write this is, this will be like a constant member variable. This here can be the target. Cool. Yeah, I could just do auto, right? All right. Maybe for the initial call. This. I don't want to do it twice. I have to use Lou, so I'll be back. I'm back. Let's change up the music. I'm feeling Daggerfall will be a good one. Now, once I've gotten this part done, I will stop stream, and then I'll start stream probably a couple hours later. I just need to do dinner. Okay. So I think I just need to blit it to make a copy. Oh no, I can just go SDL. RGB surface. 0. Help monitor image. Width. Help monitor image. Height. This seems a bit ridiculous, but I guess we'll go with it. Alright, let's actually do this properly. So we'll go here, and we'll make it SDL surface. Help monitor image. Yep, that should be fine. This is wrong. This needs to be 255. Just keep that as a magic number for now. And then this also needs to be a member variable. Actually, this needs to be... Yeah, no, this needs to be a member variable. I think we just go ahead and make the function for this as well. Should this? Yeah, this should be here. And this needs to be public. SE string, text, that should be fine. Should make a, oh no, that'll be fine. That'll be fine. Cool, let's make that. So now I need to just make the surface. I'm very tempted to just load it in, but I don't think that's right. I'm just gonna make these new lines because it's gonna get quite long. Monitor image, please. Help monitor image. Format. It's per pixel. If anybody knows a faster way of doing this, it would be very great, because this is pretty crap to have to write, but I'll do it if I have to. Help. Bits per, alright, I see. Cool. Alright, that's made now. And then we just bliss, and it should all be fine. This is where things need to change. Help monitor surface. Help monitor surface. Help monitor surface. Alright. So this should just be the same outcome now. Yep, that's the same thing. That's what we wanted. All right, now we can start making this function. Void update helper monitor. See string text. This can all go away. And that to do can go too. Cool, that's done. Alright, now we can bliss it. Though I think there is a, what we do need also is the cutoff for spacing. So if we go to one of these, there's like a wrapped version, I'm pretty sure. Yes, this is what we want, wrapped. So text blended wrapped, and the wrap length. We'll just need to experiment with that, but that's fine. Alright, and then we can blit it on. Just double check everything's fine there. I already had this open. I do want to change this to 2 just in case there is any difference. Blit surface, okay. Sure, I'll look at the SDL3 docs, it shouldn't be any different. Okay, that should be fine. So what I can do is make this SDL rect. Just try that as padding for now and see how that goes. And then the width and height can be equal to m underscore. Yeah, how about we go const, make a new const up here, const expression, let's do it correctly. This should be m underscore help monitor surface. Hello? Surface. Am I? Alright, let's update this. Why is this not working? Probably because I've written it wrong? Nope. Alright, m help monitor surface. Unknown type. Oh, bloody test. Just trying to figure out why my autocomplete's not working. External identifier. Okay, that's weird. Oh, I see. Oh no, auto help monitor surface, emit monitor surface, what the heck? Oh, I'm being really silly here. I've done that a fair few times now. And I'll never learn, apparently. Helper text padding. Help monitor surface. Right, minus helper text padding. Alright, that's a fairly long thing. It's in pixels, that's not good. Okay, got that done. Where's our blit? Here. Alright, first things first, we want to clear text, surface, no, what am I doing? SDL blit surface, and we can do essentially the same thing I did up here, right? Yeah. So this is our clear. Now we can do here, this. I think we want this as help text rect, and then this can be, am I doing this right? No, I'm not doing this right. Oh no, this is fine. Help text. No matching call for SDL upper blit. Oh, does it need to be a pointer? Cool, that works. Alright, we can test this, I suppose. We can just test it here. Oh, actually, we need to fix this first. Cool. Alright. Now we just need to reset the texture. And then we'll see what happens when we actually call this function. My guess is that this is all going to go to haywire. Yep, I was right. Alright, let's do backtrace, GDB, file bin, VimVentures, run. Okay, that died. Backtrace. Can't actually see anything right now, which is annoying. Let's just equip, yes. What's going wrong? Shouldn't be anything wrong with this. Help monitor. Is it just my blessing that I'm doing here? Like, what if I comment this out? Okay, it is my blessing. So what part do I need to... Oh, I've got my caps lock on. Oops. What happens if I go null pointer here and ignore this whole rect stuff? Oh, okay. Well, it's not crashing, but it is also just not doing anything. Is it because I'm not actually calling it? Update help test. Oh, something's gone wrong. It's not clear to me what, though. Oh, what? What's the thing for RGBA? I think we're already running that, though, so that shouldn't matter. Do I need to enable texture blend? Enable texture blend. Perhaps. Can't remember exactly why I added that. That was a while ago I wrote that. No, that's not helping. It's all blank. It's the size of my font, maybe that's what's doing it. Font at TTS. One of my... Size of my font shouldn't matter all that much, I don't think. Well, maybe it does if I'm blitting. That could be why. That most certainly could be why, actually. 25. Alright. Oh, what was that? I had this problem earlier. What was it that fixed that? I need to enable texture blend, I'm pretty sure. Let's just make sure this doesn't cause any problems before I do it though. Okay. So without that, will it all go kaput? Well, not kaput, it should actually just render it. Oh gosh, what is happening now? Okay, that's working. I don't understand why calling it twice is causing issues. That's really strange to me. It's exactly the same thing twice. So splitting it once works, splitting it twice, it gets upset. Is essentially where we're up to. I assume enabling texture blending isn't going to do anything either. I need to comment this out. Yeah, blending's not the issue here. Okay. Oh, I've made this mistake so many times. Oh, so stop adding that. I need to actually update the GL if I'm doing this. I'm pretty sure I do at least. Help monitor update GL. I think so. No, okay, that's not solved anything either. Wait, vertex data? That doesn't make sense to me either. Because I'm essentially doing the same thing twice, but it's just not liking it this time. Like, this should not make a difference. But it probably will. Yeah. This doesn't make any sense to me. Does blitting actually delete the last surface? Split surface should not call on a locked surface. The bit semantics for... I think I've got my semantics mixed up. Nice. SDL2. Let copy and bullet SDL2. This isn't making sense. I'm gonna look at my tutorial mission, because I update graphics a lot there. Oh, not tutorial, sorry, intro. Intro state. So I do update the GL, but I don't see why I really need to in this scenario, do I? Let's have a look. Here, let's do update GL. Oh, actually call the right variable. No, it doesn't. It doesn't like me blitting twice. I don't understand why that is. Alright, something's going wrong here. Let's do a GTB run. Oops. Hold up. What? Did I not make? Make. Wait, what's different? What have I done differently? What? What have I done? Okay, that didn't work. And VimVentures run. Okay, here we go. Oh, does blissing like lock the texture? Or returns. So let's talk about locking here. Let's have a look at this. This might be the answer. Nope, doesn't seem to lock that texture at least. Alright, let's give it a go with the other one. Nope, isn't locking that. Okay, so if I do W, height, oops, these need to be the same actually. Nope, nothing changes. Oh, this is really confusing, honestly. Do I perhaps have to recreate the temporary texture before I blit again? Nope, that's making no sense to me either. Yeah, of course that wouldn't work. Oh, what the heck? And if I load it again? Something must happen to the original image. I'm very tempted to just write this as an image load each time. Oh no, but that's going to be so slow. No, that didn't help either. What? Maybe I need to have to force it each time. I don't know why forcing is causing issues though. Let's have a look here. Picture rect CPP. My music stopped. Let's fix that. Bro, my neighbor's dog is going wild. Let's take a chill pill. Okay. Let's do this. I see the problem. I have hard-coded this. So essentially, if I stop forcing this, we should be able to get something good out of this. Nope, okay, I was wrong. I thought I was smart for a second there, apparently not. 0, 0. Ooh. Let me get the docs up for this. GL text, sub image. Format of the texture data. It might be texture format I need. Texture format. Here we go, let's give this one a go. Oh, there we go, I fixed it. Let's just add this as a separate commit. Alright, gotta go turn my lights on. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, so we can just kill all this test code I had. Yep, goodbye. Give this one a go. Alright. So we're not getting any text, but that's fine, because we are actually getting blitting now, which was the hard part. Let's go help text rect. Something's going wrong. Okay, that's really, really big. Holy moly, that needs to be changed. Surface, resize, SDL. Well, it's scaled. Here we go. This is what we're wanting. They've changed the name of this. Alright. Yeah, they're different names now. Okay, that's fine. Between okay, whatever. Alright, let's give this a go. Ah, haha! It's working! Dun, 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 oh no. Just check this is working first. Okay, that isn't. What does this look like if it's wrapped? No, so the wrapped one seems to have a lot of problems. I don't know why. SDL2TF wrapped. We need blended for this. Okay, we pass the font, we pass text, color, wrap length. Value in pixels. Oh my gosh. Okay, well that would have made more sense, wouldn't it? Alright, so this. Ah, bloody hell. Okay. Okay, so we have a help monitor service minus helper text padding. Alright, so we get the width of this minus the helper text padding times 2, and so you have that width, and then we have the other width. Should be, so we get this first, and then we divide it by the wrap, I think. Oh my gosh. The wrap times blah, blah, blah. Oh, I know what I'm doing. Times divided by help text width. Oh, and this needs to be make. No, other way around. Okay, cool, that should work, hopefully. Nope, that one didn't. Zero. $256. Okay, that sorts that out. Okay, cool. So is he smaller? I don't fully understand what's happening here. Even smaller than that? Okay. Width, height. Yeah, no, the height doesn't make sense. It needs to be the width. Oh no, width. Looks almost right now. All right, I'm gonna